Sorry. Sí, sí.
Hết rồi.
Because there's no way she ate the shape up like that. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all gonna get ready with me for my birthday. We're gonna fix this hair up. I got class today. Gotta do my nails, but y'all gonna see how my nails turn out. Let me know if y'all jacking it. Let me know if y'all jacking the price and how long it took to, because that was kind of crazy.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You heard that?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get ready to do my hair. I got class today. I got class on my birthday. She's crazy.
Mucho.
Así que son. Sorry. Sí, sí.
Bombastic side eye.
No tenga amiga, no tenga más amigas, Fanny, no. Que las amigas a veces son.
I feel dizzy with that little. Guys, are you digging it? Because I'm not digging it. But guys, look. Y'all want to know how much they charge me for the nails? $170. You know how long this shit took too? About 2 hours. Let's say an hour and 40 minutes. I kind of think they're really cute though. Like, pretty detail. I don't know what to do to grow my hair because this shit's not it.
I'm gonna definitely record this on my.
Wait, hold on. Welcome to this side. Oh,
This side. Password. Get closer.
Hi, can I have the password, please?
Beat me up. Look at that.
Hey, everybody.
Hi.
Of course. What the fuck is that? This is
Hi. Oh.
Any reservations today?
No.
How many?
What?
Yeah, we just want to check it out.
No problem. I just gotta check out the ID.
It's a number.
And you guys do this.
It's another
So this is nice. So how can we help you?
problem, Miss Ava. You're all set. All right, my pleasure. Bye bye. All right, welcome you guys. Come on in. This is the Woo right behind the crimson curtain. Awesome. All right, so when you folks are ready, you're gonna push forward on the VHSs straight ahead and watch your step.
Yeah. Thank you. Say it again.
Password?
Happy birthday!
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
So wait, which side do I have to?
Bro, walk now, you are.
So there's the white side and the black side. You can put the fucking white side down first.
Okay.
Now we ghetto as fuck playing Uno and Applebee's. Like,
Birthday girl, go first.
Forehead first.
Forehead's first. You know you can lay it right there. Yo, fucking covered.
How many cards that got? Tell me.
What did you get?
They gave you a shot of barbecue. I didn't get anything. Wasn't throwing it.
nigga Della. Yo, she's wild with.
Potatoes. You want a lemon? I got a slice of lemon. I might want to eat all that.
Damn, take the bottle.
I might as well.
Ew, that's OD ketchup, bro. My plate looks scrumpy yum yum.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
Thank you.
Yo,
I am?
Thank you.
Might need a burger.
scrumpy yum yum.
Mary's mom has 4 children. The first one is April, the second one is May, the third one is June. What's the 4th child's name?
My name. Mary.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little stressed. I'm a little stressed.
Damn, you can't blow.
Oh, you all right?
Blow. What's going on?
No, you all right. Oh, I didn't. I thought you played basketball.
We got 2 more.
Are you shitting me, kid?
Oh, what you
Now, why that shit so thick and it moved? Like, she had to fight to put that shit on.
Yeah, I forgot the forehead, big forehead.
Oh, no. The head. No. The head. Oh, no, I got something. That should drop.
Where did it drop? Don't tell me it went on you. Don't tell me it went on you.
That's just right there.
But that was not it. Thank you,
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yo, bro, where is that piece, bro?
It's right here.
No, that's not it.
It's right here. Go ahead.
Happy birthday. You look so cute. Crazy, bro.
Smile at the camera, say thank you.
Which one you want?
Pick one for me.
Which one do you want?
Guys, which one should I get?
So which one?
Can you show the camera? The 2 options?
Are you going based off the texture of the can?
No.
Because you know this feels more like smooth, like the wrappiness is different. This is Juneberry. I don't know what that tastes like, and this is tropical. You're not taking both. You bugging. So do you want the blue one?
Yeah, let's take the blue one. How about if this tastes like mango though?
So we could try both of them.
Let me try yours.
Wait, bro, what? No, you're wildin'. You're in a dead ass catch a heart attack or something, bro. God forbid, bro.
Now that's just sour. Wait, did y'all get into the hair though?
Look at them. Pearls, like detailing in them.
And big boots and they must stay strong. I'm chatting, don't mind me. I think it's the energy drink talking.